covering the last topics of big data. So let's get started. So our first topic is text analytics. So in this, I will be telling you how we analyze the text in big data in the structured, unstructured and semi-structured. So text analytics is the process of converting unstructured text data into meaningful data for analyzing. So another name for text analytics is text mining. A good reason for using text analytics might be to extract additional data about customers from unstructured data sources to enrich customer master data to produce new customer insights or to determine sentiment about product and services. So text analysis is the process to convert unstructured data format into meaningful data for further analysis. So text analysis or analytics can be also be called as text mining. So the main use of text analytics is to extract some data about the customers from unstructured data so that we can produce a new data from that customer insight to determine the sentiment about products and services. So this is about text analytics. So our next topic is sentiment analysis. So sentiment analysis is the process of using text analytics to mine various sources of data for opinions. So sentiment analysis is done on the data that is collected from the internet and from various social media platforms. So this is used to take a particular data and used as opinion so that we can get the main insights of the customers, of the users, of some students in a school, or some, or we can say the people who are living in a country. The government use this method to see how they are happy with the policies and services. So here is the example that government often use sentiment analysis to understand how people feel about themselves and their policies. Through this, government or each and every organization or body can know that how a customer is happy about their services, of their policies, of the opinions. So sentiment analysis is this. So our next topic is predictive analysis. So in predictive analysis, it refers to the use of data, statistical algorithm and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes based on historical data. So predictive analytics is used the data that we have created through which we are used to predict the future outcomes. So we use statistical algorithms and machine learning to identify the future outcomes on those data. So predictive analytics can generate future insights with insignificant degree of precision. With the help of predictive analytics, tools and models, any organization use past and current data to forecast trends and behavior milliseconds, days or years in future. So in predictive, I am telling once more again, so predictive analytics is used to analyze a particular data to predict some future outcomes by using statistical algorithms and machine learning. So this each and every company and each and every organization use predictive analytics to show some outcome so that they can get to know how and why and what will be the future outcome of a particular data. For example, if if I am like working in a company, so I have a data and I predict using machine learning algorithm that how my customer will be there in future. It means that on the basis of the product and on that basis of that data. So this is predictive analytics, and our next and not the least last topic is anomaly detection. So the word anomaly mean unusual. In world of analytics, Being able to detect abnormal behavior in big data has numerous advantages. Identifying behavior in streaming data is called anomaly detection. Detecting unusual data patterns is not helps in preventing hazardous situation but also track the change in trends of whatever is analyzed. So anomaly detection is being used to detect the fraudulent use of data in the industry. So it identifies the streaming data that a particular company is using, and it detects the unusual data patterns that not help in preventing hazardous situation. If it has the hazardous situation, then it can change the track and trend whatever the data has been analyzed. So this is all about the big data series. So I will be back in my next other sessions that I will be releasing soon. So please don't go anywhere. Stay tuned and subscribe our channel. Thank you.